Bonsoir Hana, nous avons eu le cours le jeudi 16 avril et c'est la leçon 21 sur 57. Alors the words ending in "-ence" this time. You're reacting very well to this method, by the way. So the words ending ence, ance, they stay the same in French. So, like for instance, difference, preference, importance, influence. So it's going to be the same. So difference is différence. And all those guys are feminine. La différence. So I'm using la. The difference. La préférence. L'importance. I'm going to say l'importance with L apostrophe because it starts with a vowel. Et l'influence. L apostrophe. It doesn't matter. I don't need to use la because the words start with a vowel. So, la différence, la préférence, l'importance, l'influence. So, without the, différence, préférence, importance, influence. The, masculine, le, féminine, la, plural, les. And if the noun, doesn't matter if it's feminine or masculine, start with a vowel or an H, I'm going to use L apostrophe. So now, if I want to use un or some, un masculine, une féminine, des some. So I want to say the difference, la différence. A difference, une différence. What difference, quelle différence. So I have the feminine form here, quelle. So in a sense, it's like what, which, and we can have different forms. So keep in mind which difference will be which can be masculine singular, quel, can be masculine plural, quel, can be feminine singular, quel, and can be feminine plural, quel. So they all have the same pronunciation. Quel, quel, and that means what, which. So the preference, la différence. A preference, une préférence. What preference, quelle préférence. Have you or do you have? If I have a question starting like that, I need to pay attention to the verb, the main verb, have. Avez-vous, as-tu, vous avez, tu as, do you have a preference? Avez-vous une préférence? As-tu une préférence? Vous avez or tu as, you can have different options here. What preference do you have? Quelle préférence as-tu, avez-vous? And this is a weird question. In French, if we want to say what for, we're going to start with for. For what restaurant do you have a preference tonight? Or what kind of restaurant do you have a preference for? What restaurant do you have a preference for? So we're going to say in French, for, quel restaurant avez-vous une préférence ce soir? Keep in mind, in French, we're going to say for what. The words ending in ion, actually I should say T-I-O-N, but most of the time I-O-N. They stay the same in French, the same meaning, different pronunciation. Opinion, opinion. Condition, condition, sion. The condition, la condition. And also those guys are feminine. A condition, une condition. What condition, quelle condition. Position, position. The position, la position. A position, une position. What position, quelle position. All of them, they have the same behavior. Sion, réservation, position, condition, opinion. Okay? And they're all feminine. Do you have a reservation for me for tonight? So, avez-vous, as-tu une réservation pour moi pour ce soir? I don't need to use for tonight, but do you have a reservation for me tonight? Etc. As-tu, avez-vous? The exceptions to this rule, the ION, would be translation, traduction, explanation, explication. They are feminine. Vacation, les vacances. This one is plural. So I put the thing concerning savoir and connaître, to know, again, because there's an exercise. Anyway, you have an excellent week. I'll see you on Tuesday. Thank you again for your time. And please stay safe and be careful. Okay? Au revoir, Hana. À bientôt.